subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. As compared to previous problem, this problem is quite simple. In this question, we have given the function f of x is continuous at x equal to 2 and x equal to 10, and we have to find the unknown values a and b. The question is, if f of x is equal to 5, comma, if x less than 2 is equal to ax plus b, comma, if 2 less than x less than 10 is equal to 21, comma, if x greater than equal to 10 is continuous at x equal to 2 as well as x equal to 10. Find a and b. Now let's see the solution. Solution is quite simple. First we use the given that f of x is continuous at point x equal to 2. Therefore, by definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to 2 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 2 minus fx is equal to f of 2. Now x tends to 2 plus, it means right hand limit, that is x should be greater than 2. X tends to 2 minus, it means left hand limit, and that is x should be less than 2. And f of 2, it means x equal to 2. So the next step will be limit x tends to 2. Now for x greater than 2 that occur here, f of x is defined as ax plus b. That equal to limit x tends to 2. Now for x less than 2, f of x is defined as 5. And that equal to f of 2. For f of 2, again f of x is defined as 5. Now here we have to substitute limit as x tends to 2. It means whenever x we have to write 2. So we get 2a plus b is equal to 5. Let us denote this as the equation 1. Now use given f of x is continuous at x equal to 10. Therefore, by definition of continuity, we have limit x tends to 10 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 10 minus fx is equal to f of 10. Now x tends to 10 plus, it means right hand limit, and that means x should be greater than 10. X tends to 10 minus, it means left hand limit, it means x should be less than 10, and f of 10 means x equal to 10. Therefore, the next step will be limit x tends to 10. Now, for x greater than 10, f of x defined as a 21. That equal to limit x tends to 10. Now, for x less than 10, f of x defined as a ax plus b. That equal to, now f of 10, that is x equal to 10, f of x defined as a 21. So the next step will be, we write 21 as it is, that equal to. Now here, whenever x, we have to substitute the limit value, that is at 10. So we get 10a plus b, and that again equal to 21. So from this, we conclude that 10a plus b, and that equal to 21. Let us denote this as equation 2. Now to get value of a and b, we have to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. The equation number 1 is 2a plus b is equal to 5. And equation number 2 is 10a plus b is equal to 21. On subtracting, we get that is minus, plus cancel, we write minus there, and this also minus. Now 2a minus 10a, so that gives minus 8a. We cancel plus b and minus b, and that equal to 5 minus 21, so that gives minus 16. We cancel minus sign from both sides, and then 16 upon 8, so that gives 2. So therefore a is equal to 2. Now substituting value of a equal to 2 in equation 1, we get now equation 1 is 2a plus b equal to 5. For a, we have to put value, that 2. So 2 in bracket 2 plus b, and that equal to 5. So 2 into 2, 4, plus b equal to 5. So b equal to 5 minus 4. So in this way, we get b equal to 1. And finally, hence, we get value a equal to 2 and b equal to 1. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.